Sweet thoughts on a Sunday afternoon. Never hold you down, oh, the wild and the truth. And I know that you remember me, oh, back in time. But you stay on mine, oh, you stay on my mind. Wild weeks, no sleep, now you're colorblind. But you're always there to share a smile. And I know sometimes get rough, you feel like you've been left behind. But you stay on mine, oh, you stay on my mind. But you stay on mine, oh, you stay on my mind. But you stay on mine, oh, you stay on my mind. But you stay on mine, oh, you stay on my mind. But you stay on mine, oh, you stay in mine. Hard nights, brave lights, we sit outside. But we see more than just the stars. We're all caught up in our worries. We forget just where we are. We forget just where we are. Big stands with unspoken guitars. 'Cause we're free and we own it. And I know you won't remember me all back in time. But you stay on mine, oh, you stay on my mind. But you stay on mine, oh, you stay on my mind. But you stay on mine, oh, you stay in my mind. But you stay on mine, oh, you stay in my mind. But you, oh, you stay in mine.
Mama said, don't give up, it's a little